IM installations are a universal tool for cleaning various surfaces from suspended bulk materials. They are used in many countries in various industries: mining and processing, energy and fuel, metallurgy, chemical, coal, food, and many others. The range of materials to be collapsed includes ore, charge, concentrate, limestone, coal, cement, flour, compound feed, dust, etc. One IM installation can be used to equip several locally placed objects, which can be of different designs and located at different levels. The control system allows to individually setting the power, frequency, and sequence of impulse actions in each channel of the IM installation. The design, number, and location of executive mechanisms are determined by our experts while designing and developing the technical solution. The impact is possible not only on the outer wall of the cleaned objects, but also on the vibrating sheet, which can serve as a lining. This method of impact allows to achieve maximum cleaning performance at various complex objects. Magnetic impulse installations IM comprehensively solve the problems of bridging and cleaning the walls of hoppers and other surfaces.